Yeah, okay. So after it has already finished loading, loading up. I was just waiting for it to finish loading all the items. I'm only going to sort them for now for the purpose of this training. I'm just going to sort it by revenue and see how I can do that. Let me just sort it like that. Man, that's really making money. Okay. So I'm going to select just a random product because all I want to do is show you how you can get the right keywords for your product using a tool like Sonar. So let's go ahead and try this. So in this particular example, I'm just going to, let's say this is the kind of product. And one more thing before I do this is the product you should check as a sample to get your keywords from. You need to make sure that it is ranking higher, and that's why I sorted by revenue. Now, depending on what you want, you can sort by sales and stuff. But in this particular case, I want to sort by revenue. So so these are the one of the top ones. Now you need to be careful because some of them here now you need to be careful not to consider a sponsored item as a first page item. You need to be careful about that. So again, if I reload this, because I've already sorted it, then you won't see the sponsored. But if you did it without sourcing, some of the first products here will show sponsored, which means they actually paid to appear on the first page. So you need to be careful about that. Anyway, let's go back to what we're doing. Moving on. So I'll just pick up the ASIN. Let me just pick up right there. I'll go back to Sonar and I will search for I will paste the SIN. Now you can choose here, or you can just ping and Sonar will automatically detect that it is SIN and will move the section to SIN to move on to do an SIN search. So just a few moments, we're just waiting for it to load up the results. Hope you're having a great week, guys. We'll keep on sharing more and more tips daily, so be sure to subscribe to abadiracademy.com, sign up, and we'll be in touch with you. We'll also help you in case you have any issues with your store, in case you have any issues with one of your products, or if you need assistance when it comes to finding the right supplier, shipping and handling, and private labeling and all that stuff. So we're here for you, and just let us know. Just sign up and feel free to contact us through our website or our social media channels as listed below. So I'm thinking that it's taking longer than usual. Now, and one more thing that we should notice that some of this okay, there we go. But what I wanted to say is that some of the products want to bring up any results. Let me try to find one that won't. Let me just give this a go. So let me try that. That's the 1 million one. Yeah, man, this guy is making money. That's great. Okay, let's go back to Sonar. I'm trying to find one that won't bring any results when it comes to, okay, we have a lot of keywords. Okay, now that's a good one because we have a lot of keywords. Now, I just wanted to show you that some of the products won't generate any keywords, maybe because they don't rank well or something, but you should expect the ones that have the largest revenue in that niche to give you some keywords, to give you an idea of what ranks high in that niche or what customers are searching for. Because again, on the keyword part, as we have always said before, you not only need to know the right keywords for your product to use on your product, but also you need to know the right search phrases to include them within your listing, whether it's title and listing, when listing your product on Amazon.com. So again, something to keep an eye out for. So let's go ahead. So as you can see, the ones that have the highest green bars have the most search volume. So as you can see, it's like, and I want you to see the key, like 1 is minimum and 5 is maximum. So again, it's very easy to determine how much of an importance a keyword is, or how much a keyword ranks higher. So I'll just go ahead and this tool is mostly free, for the most part. So let's go ahead and go and begin download here. Now there is another tool called Selix. We'll discuss about this next time. It's also a very great tool. But now let's finish downloading first. Let's just see what it has to give us. And I'd just like to encourage every one of you that you can have a successful Amazon business. You can have a successful eBay business, and there are strategic ways on how you can ensure that you're reaching your goals. You're reaching that goal that you have when it comes to selling online, and when it comes to building a successful e-commerce store, whether it's on Amazon or eBay. I know those are the top brands, at the top platforms, but there are many platforms out there. There are people who you can also build your website through platforms like Wix and stuff. If you really want to do if you want to build a website, e-commerce store from the ground up. But also you can use platforms like Shopify, and we'll be speaking about all these platforms and all the tips and tricks when selling in all these various platforms as we go. So let's go ahead and open the downloaded file, and then I'll show you. We just have one more steps before we have all the keywords that we need to go. So hang in there. It's not going to be very long. So I'm just going to view them. It will actually open an Excel sheet. Now there's only one challenge: the format that this software creates a file. It's not organized when you open it at first, but you can always use various tools that Excel has. So in this case I'm going to use text to column. So I'll just go ahead and select that that whole column, and then I'm going to go to text to column. Then I'm going to leave that. Then I'm going to also select comma. That's right, so comma semicolon that. You can also preview here what's going to happen. And then after that, I'm just going to go next. I'll leave it at general and finish. So voila, we have our sheet organized. So now we have our keyword, search volume, and all that. So remember, the only challenge with Sonar is that it doesn't give you the actual search volume, but it gives you the intensity of how much people are searching for that particular keywords. And so, for example, we have Pampers sensitive wipes. There it is 5 here, which means the minimum for like in the rank. It's like when you're ranking 1 to 10. Now here is 1 to 5. 5 being the maximum, the one with the highest search volume. So in this particular case, I would advise you to keep an eye out for keywords that have a search volume rank of 2 to 5. So I would also include the ones, but I wouldn't give them the highest priority. Now this is if you're selling this, if you want to sell, or if you want to list this particular item or something similar to that. So and this will also give you an idea of the unique phrases and stuff. One more thing you can do before finishing up, you can just select this whole thing and go ahead and say remove duplicates. Now the reason why I do this is that sometimes Sonar will download keywords and they will have a lot of duplicates. So you can just go and remove duplicates. Now there are many ways you can do that, but let me just go with that. You see there's one duplicate found and removed. But anyway, if it's just one, then you probably don't need to do that. But sometimes the duplicates are many and you will need to do that. And actually another good thing that there will be one more column here for unique keywords. That's the unique keyword part, so that you can know how to start listing. You can now choose your keywords from there. And one more thing you can do that Excel can allow you to do is to sort. Now this is already sorted, like in terms of like the keyword that ranks higher appears first, which is good. But now there's some apps that have keywords randomly placed, so you might want to sort this out. You might want to sort this out as using the normal sorting features of Excel. So again, just feel free to do with it anything you want. So I would advise you, after you already have the keywords that you need to create your listing, concentrate on the 2 to 5 ones. Now there's some niches where you don't have a lot of keywords and maybe people are not really searching much for that. Then you may want to also pick a few ones. Now this also depends on how relevant the keyword actually is to the product that you want to sell. That's why I say that you need to go you need to go on Amazon knowing what you're looking for. So for example, let's say let me try something out. Let me search for pacifier. Let me see what comes up. Yeah, I'm not sure how much time this video is taking already. So okay, so there we are. There we go. You can see we have a lot of people who are selling this particular item. But now I'm just going to, let's say I want to sell pacifier on Amazon. Make sure you've logged out. This is very important. That's why I keep on repeating it, because when you log in, Amazon will customize your search results based on your history and stuff, and so you may not want that if you're doing, especially if you're doing a research on an item, or you're finding maybe what will be the best product to start selling right now and stuff. That may not be the best decision. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. So what I was saying here, sponsored product, that's the SP sign here. So you need to keep an eye out for that. This product I've just paid to appear on the first page, so you need to know that. Now sometimes if you feel like there are many products but it is not searching, you can just go ahead and refresh that, and it will load up more products. Some reason sometimes it just does weird stuff. So I'll just wait for it to finish loading up. Now next time we'll be speaking more on the Jungle Scout extension. You can actually do a lot of research when it comes to product research and finding the right product to sell on Amazon.com. This tool is actually massively useful, and will save you a lot of time when it comes to finding the right product. So it takes a bit to load. I'm not sure why, but it's really worth the wait, especially if you're doing research. I think it's done, but the reason why I'm still waiting is because there's some numbers that have not loaded over here. Okay, let's just move with it, I guess. So right away, I'm just going to sort that by revenue. I don't think it has finished loading. So it's taking a bit longer than expected. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, let's just pick any product. Let me just go with that. I'm not sure that's a pacifier. No, I just sorted the whole stuff and it didn't give me all pacifier. Oh, okay, so that's a baby pacifier. So I just sorted by revenue, and I'm just still looking for the right results. I want to find products that have ranked naturally, not like the sponsored product, and that I can actually use for this example. Okay, let's go with that. Let's go with that. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, let's just check this. So this will probably be the last example, because I don't want this video to be very long. But I want you to go out with a value. I want to add value to your Amazon business, and this will really help you. You can also choose other options and just experiment depending on your needs. So okay, same process. I'll just go ahead and find the download button. There we go. So you always need to find a top seller, whether you rank it by sales or by revenue. Again, you need to find what are these people doing that is right. What are these people doing that I should be doing to get more sales and stuff, or to be a successful seller. There are strategies that if you follow them, you will ensure that you should rank higher in no time when it comes to selling on Amazon. So I'm just repeating the same process, so that's why I don't have to explain it again. Wow, okay, there we go. So we have all our keywords, and we can now use them when creating the listing. We can just choose the right keywords. Now you see, for example, in this particular case, we only have a few 4s and a few 3s, and most are 2 and 1s. So I will find the ones that are that are suitable for my product. I may choose a few 1s and maybe 2s and 3, 4s, just to ensure that it's good to have at least 20 keywords when creating a detailed product description and title. You don't have to use them all, but you should use as much as possible, because remember, the way Amazon works is that your keywords really play a big role in whether or not you're going to get people visiting your product. So you need to be able to rank in the highest, in the good keywords, especially the search phrases that people would normally search for on the net. So or on Amazon.com, on Amazon platform. So I hope you enjoyed the training. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to go to our website and sign up, and we will be in touch with you. If you need any help whatsoever, whether it's running your business, your e-commerce business, whether it's digital marketing, or getting more people to see your product, getting more people to purchase your product, running Amazon ads, running Facebook ads, we're there for you, and we'll be offering more training in the future, and showing you more tools that you can take advantage to ensure that your business is always excelling. So go ahead and give it a try, and have a great day.